Well, that's me coffee made. Bought some art discount extra soft pastels just to see what they're like. Usually I use either Unisons or Rembrandts, but I thought I'd give these a try. You can get them in 48 and a 24 pack. The 24 are £29 odd, and the 48 pack are £26 odd, and they're discounted at the moment. Usually the 48 sticks are £38, so they've got quite a good discount at the moment. The box feels very similar to the Unison box, which is nice because they're really nice and sturdy. Nice sturdy box. Nice set of colours. Yeah, nice and soft. I feel feeling on the fingers, they feel very much like Rembrandts, creamy, not too soft. I'll give them a little blend test, see what they feel like. Laying them down, they feel in between the Rembrandts and the De La Rowney soft pastels. Looking the way that's blended, just laying the marks down, you won't need to do too much blending, it'll merge in together nicely by the looks of it. They do feel like a nice set. I'll see what they're like with a nice full painting a bit later, after I've drunk my coffee. What I found with these is the wrapper comes off beautiful and easy. Quick score, pull it off, not a problem. Quick score with a nice sharp knife. Beautiful, very satisfying. What you'll find with these, they don't seem to have a log number to order. As you can see, I've already done my layout from a couple of pictures that I've done. I showed you the black and white one from the sketchbook. It's just laying in the colour with these art discount pastels. They do actually feel like the Rembrandts putting it on. I'm using a Fabriano paper on the smooth side because I find that quite difficult to get a decent picture with, because I usually use a sanded paper, but I thought I'd use this just to test myself, really, just to test these out as well. I'm not looking for a masterpiece, just testing out what these pastels are like, really. Just seeing whether the black can be blended in with the blue to put some darker areas into the sky. Well, that ended up being a bit of a disaster, absolutely disaster. I think it's because I've forgotten how to use this paper more than anything else. They seem to be very chalky, these pastels, as well, so maybe I should have done an underpainting beforehand, I'm not sure. But my trusty little friend come out, got rid of it. Got rid of that. Got a bit of an underpainting there now, so I may be able to salvage something, but I don't think it's the pastels. I just think it was me being rubbish with them. I'm sure it was. I'll give it another go. See what I can come up with.